Okay, my name is Tengku Sembok. Currently, I'm a professor in computer science at the International Islamic University of Malaysia. I started my academic career at University Kebangsaan Malaysia, or in English, the National University of Malaysia, in 1978, right? Okay, I stayed there in the National University of Malaysia until 2007. Okay, then I was posted to a new university at that time, National Defence University of Malaysia. It just started in 2006. So I was sent over there and to hold the position of Deputy Vice Chancellor in Academic Affairs. Okay, so I was there for nearly 10 years, and then I hold the position of Deputy Vice Chancellor for 9 years, and I think last year I transferred to International Islamic University of Malaysia. Okay, also somewhere in Kuala Lumpur, right? So that is my academic career. So I got my bachelor degree from Brighton University, my master's from University of Iowa in United States, and my PhD from Glasgow University. Actually, my area of research is in information retrieval, natural language processing, and artificial intelligence. So the title of my paper at the conference, which read Information Retrieval, Question Answering System, and ChatGPT. Okay, I was looking in the perspective of technology, capability, and intelligence. Okay, because when ChatGPT was launched and released to the world at the end of last year, everybody got excited, you know. And I was surprised at two extreme reactions. Okay, one of them say that it's a breakthrough of the year, and he said the best ever AI tool released to the public. On the other hand, some say that it's a false sign, linguistic incapability. So I was, quite stunned. Then I started to play around with ChatGPT. I was amazed at its capability in the sense of generating, essay, natural language, and be able to answer your question. I was stunned at its capability, but when trying to chat with ChatGPT, I discovered some errors, factual error started to creeping in. Okay, for example, I asked about myself. Okay, who is Tengku Sembok? So came the answer saying that I was retired military general. No, I'm not a military general. I only work at the National Defence University. With that little bit of connection, ChatGPT, creates a narrative which is false. So that's worry me. So another interesting session that I have with ChatGPT, I started asking about the family of our new Prime Minister, Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim. So in the middle of conversation, ChatGPT was saying that our Prime Minister married twice. I was shocked. I was shocked. Then I asked ChatGPT, how do you know that our Prime Minister married twice? Then he answered me, it's obvious, it's a well-known fact. that our Prime Minister married the first wife, so and so. That name, so and so, happened to be the wife of our former Prime Minister.
Okay.
This is bluntly, false.
Okay.
So I started like to know the model and the engine that power ChatGPT. So that sort of thing. My research that I get a very quick kind of research that I presented during the conference.
During the conference. Okay. Thank you so much. And so, what was your motivation during the COVID to carry out the research and participate in the conference?
Okay, as a academic, we shouldn't stop doing research and present our finding in conference. So for I think more than 2 years, was all this what call it
COVID.
pandemics. So I still do my research and be able to go online conference. And suddenly I saw this conference in London. Okay. So I'm excited to go and meet friends over there and also attend the conference. So I think we should move on doing our research and presenting our finding, whether it's physical or visual. Academic, we shouldn't stop doing research and present our finding in conference. So for I think more than 2 years, was all this what call it
COVID.
pandemics. So I still do my research and be able to go online conference. And suddenly I saw this conference in London. Okay. So I'm excited to go and meet friends over there and also attend the conference. So I think we should move on doing our research and presenting our finding, whether it's physical or visual. Advantages and disadvantages. The advantages is we save time, we save money. Okay, the accommodation, the flight, and we can attend any conference. Okay, even though we are busy in our work, no need to take leave only that particular time. No need to travel. So we can be online, presenting our papers and listening to others. Right, it helps a lot. The disadvantage is we cannot see the members of our research community physically. We lost the physical
connection.
Yes, interaction.
Yes, definitely.
Only that part. But as far as the virtual conference, I think very good. And also because of the pandemic, there are new norms being created. The conferences and also this what I call it, learning online. Which is quite positive things. Happening. Very much. Very much I encourage. So maybe we can go to more conferences. Online. We can attend more conferences because it costs less money. Or because I think so. We can save on the flight ticket and also the accommodation. Because it's a multidisciplinary kind of research in social science. So it went beyond our specialization. Okay, so the new things that you learn, what other people are doing outside our specialization, and also I got interested. Maybe some of the idea I can relate to my research, okay, yeah, and the methodology, the thinking, the ideas. Maybe we can use some of it, and also to meet other researcher from all over the world.
Yeah.
You know, from United States, Canada, India, Estonia. You know, yeah, many Algeria, and in that conference, yeah,
In the
of various background. Yeah.
various